course with the AI School of India that my daughter had enrolled in during August 2020. It was a 14-hour, 14-session course. It was 100% online. The faculty was only remotely instructing the students. My daughter never came up to me even once to ask how things have to be done. The faculty instructed them really well. They could independently handle whatever was allocated to them. There was a mandatory follow-up with parents at the end so that the parents are updated about what's being taught. But there was really no involvement required from the parents' side. The children were handling everything by themselves. There was a new project in every session. Children created something new each time. The faculty had sent out Google invites on the calendar so that you don't miss the classes in today's busy schedule. The impact on my daughter is that she's clearly getting prepared for the upcoming world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. She created a voice bot by herself and an image recognition app by herself on her phone. Positive feedback is that the course fees are very reasonable compared to many of the course fees that I have already checked out. I think everything is going great. Great going. Thank you.